In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase cell size in Excel. So there is a couple of ways how you can do it. And the first one, the most easiest one I would say, is if you click on this triangle over here, this is going to select all of your rows and columns. And now you can change every cell. If you hover your mouse between, let's say, columns like this, between A and B, you will see this double arrow. And if you hold left mouse button and you're gonna drag, this is going to change size of all columns. And now you can do the same with the rows. So as you can see, I have large cells. So this is first way how you can do it. Now, if you want to go back, you can click Ctrl Z on your keyboard, and this is going to undo your actions, or you can click on this undo over here. And now let's say you want to change size of specific columns only. So you can do the same. You can drag, like, let's say from A to K, and you can also do the same method with this double arrow. So you're gonna drag, or you can go over here where it says format. And from here, you can change column width, or you can also use auto fit column width, or you can set it to default width. So let's say I'm gonna choose column width. And from here you can type exact number. So let's say I want to make it 8. So this is going to make width of columns 8. And we can do the same with the rows. So let's say I will select first 8 rows. I'm going to go to format, row height, and I can type, let's say, 20. You can also do manually each one. So let's say I want to have only this F column larger, so I can drag it like this, and this is going to make it larger. And that's basically it. That's how you can change your cell size in Excel. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.